tour of the world. Please remain seated. We are going to stop our tram in the middle of all this chaos and destruction. Friends, our driver Graham has stopped the tram. You know why? Because if you want to stand up to take pictures and record, you can do so right now. In this amazing scene, this is what's up to the neighborhood where Tom Cruise's character hides out in the film. That plane to your left is a real 747, and it was destroyed specifically for this scene.
The airplane crash is perfectly designed. It's all designed around engagement.
Again, you sit down to talk about the way the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes on the right and it's big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep releasing me. Listen, close your eyes, okay?